Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. My name is Azad Haso and welcome to HEADZ1 Academy. Just disclaimer, I want to say that everything covered here is my personal opinion and it's not financial advice. So this is the story one, Bitcoin story. So I would like to share few real true story about Bitcoin, and this is one of the story, the bank versus Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in general. So this is one of the story, and a lot of people ask me, so I thought to share this true story to make easy for them to understand and compare. So as I said, this is based in true story. One of my friend, she said she have £5,000 in saving account in the bank and she would like to try something new, and so she asked for my help and my opinion. So first thing I told her, is very risk. Anything you do online or offline or business is involved in very high risk, and it's depend of your knowledge or your skill or your experience. And also I told her it's not guaranteed. At the same time, you need some skill, some knowledge, what you need to and what you're doing. So this is why first thing, anything I tell people, I scare them first. I tell them the reality, and it's their choice to go for. So she decided to put the money in the bank, and at the moment the interest rate is very low, is almost 0.5%, and she had about £5,000 and it's equal $6,750. And at the moment, the bank is paying almost 0.5%. So this is what I thought to share with you, how much you will get if you put that money in the bank after 1 year. At the moment, as I said, is 0.5%, but in this example I put 1% just to be more realistic. By the time you watch this video, the rate may change. So after 1 year you will get average $67.5 or pound after 1 year. And how much you will get the profit, 6,818 after 1 year if you put that money in the bank. So, and the second option I offer her, my system, the HEADZ1 system, and I give her, I told her, and I will guide you and help you, but it's not guaranteed. You will get up to 60% after 1 year. So if you put the $6,750, which is equal £5,000, you will get average about $4,050 return, based on 60%, between 20 to 60% profit a year, and you get in total 10,800. So this is one of the option, which is more realistic based on my experience, based on my knowledge. And the second option I offer, is if you buy or you get involved in Bitcoin or altcoin. Based on that price was 2nd of June 2017, was last year, almost 6-7 months ago. The price of the Bitcoin that time was almost 2,500, and right now in December they reached 20,000. So let's say if she put the $6,750, and based on the price of the Bitcoin was 2,500, she will get almost 2.7 of Bitcoin. And if she decide to sell it in the right time or in December when the price was 20,000, she will sell her 2.7 Bitcoin and she will get $54,000 return. So the profit will be $47,000 profit, and the profit percentage is almost 700% return in 7-8 months, and she will the X amount will be 7X amount of her money. So this is the based on true story, and I thought to share with you. And if you told me, is this guarantee, I will say no, nothing is guaranteed. So always you need to do your own research. I don't guarantee anything. With anything in a life, in a business, there is a risk. If you're willing to take a risk, this is something you need to consider. If you don't want to take a risk, the option, obviously, if you trust the bank, You put your money in bank and you will get this 60 or 70, or let's say is one box a year. So it's up to you. It's your money, it's your decision. I thought to share it with you, and you know, this is one of the story, and I will hopefully share the rest of the story, and I have so many story, and I would like to share it with you, to share with everybody and let them know what they're dealing with. Even if you have a Bitcoin, if you don't store it in the right time, if you don't know how to save it, store it, maintain it, and now the right time, you will have a very high risk. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share with us your story, your comment, your experience. What do you think? And let us know, and let build community, educate people, let them know what's online business, what's the cryptocurrency, and what's the best for them, just to share with them, to let them know what kind of knowledge or risk we are involved. Nothing is guaranteed, but with the right knowledge, with the right skill, you could have a freedom. You have your own financial freedom. Thanks, and see you next video.